and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Today we're continuing on our adventure with the culinary expedition. Today we are in Grenada, and on the menu is Grenadian chicken stew, not your typical American stew. Let's get to it. We're going to start off with some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to add the veggies. And we're just going to mix this up. Sometimes the hands are the better tool. Next up is the spice blend. Again, using the hands. And what we're going to do now is add a couple tablespoons of granulated sugar. And what we're going to do is basically melt this until we get to a certain color. Okay, and we're there. I'm going to add the chicken, veggies, and the spice blend. Now I'm going to add the stock. We don't want to cover it completely, just like that. Then I'm going to add some ketchup. I'm going to give it a stir. Okay, I'm going to bring this to a simmer, and I'm going to cover and cook this on medium-low to medium for about an hour. It's been about an hour. Let's take a look. Yeah, here it is, the Grenadian chicken stew. The chicken is just falling apart. Smells wonderful. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of the Grenadian chicken stew with peas and rice, another traditional Grenadian recipe. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.